This Cerelac chin chin or ACHOMO is going to be your favorite snack after watching this video to the end. Hello and welcome back again to my channel, and hope everyone is doing great. As I said earlier on, we are making Cerelac chin chin. So let's get into the video. In a bowl, I'll go in with my flour, and I'll also went in with some nutmeg, some salt. I then went ahead to add some milk powder and also baking powder. Then I went in with some sugar. So I'll be listing the quantity of the ingredients in the description box below. So now at this point, I'll just go ahead and mix until everything is well combined. So now I'll go ahead and add my star ingredient, that's my Cerelac, and I'm using the wheat and the milk flavor. So I'll mix until everything is well combined with the flour. So I just want to use this opportunity to give a shout out to my returning subscribers. Thank you guys always for coming through to watch my videos. God bless you all. So now I went in with a tablespoon of margarine. If you have butter, you can also use it. Okay, guys, so now I'll go in with my wet ingredients. So the first one I went here is my vanilla and pineapple essence. Then I also went ahead to add milk. So I'll add it gradually until I form a dough. So you can watch me on Facebook and also watch my shorts on Instagram and TikTok. The name is Getty Cooks and it is totally free. You don't have to pay any money to follow. So guys, if you are still watching up to this time, thank you so much, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share this video among your friends and family. Okay, fam. So at this point, you can see our dough is beautifully formed and it's not too hard nor too soft as well. So I'll just go ahead and let it rest for some few minutes before rolling the dough. So after 5 minutes, I went ahead to spread some flour on my board and then roll the dough to become flat. Okay, so now after rolling the dough to be very flat, I'll go ahead and heat up my oil before cutting the dough into the size and the shape that I prefer. So here I'm going in for the thin shape. You can also cut it at any size that you prefer. So now after cutting all the dough, this is what we had here, and this is the shape that I went in for. So now too, our oil is hot, so we'll just go ahead and drop some of the cut dough gently into the oil, and also be stirring it from time to time to prevent it from getting burnt. Alright fam, so our first batch has fried very well, and I'll just take it off from the oil. So this is how I'll repeat the process until every chips is well fried. Alright, lovely. So we have our Cerelac chin chin. This is ready to be enjoyed. It came out so perfect and I really love it. This tastes so yummy, delicious. I hope you give this video a try. If you enjoy watching this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you so much for watching.